your boy Bont83 for Successful Convicts, and today I'm doing a little bit different video. Part of being successful is doing things on your own and doing them good. So what I'm about to do today is I got my 2004 Chevy Suburban Z71, you see it, and I got these aftermarket lights, and basically these are LED lights. These are a little better. You see this one? Come show the camera right here. You see it won't stay in the housing, and what happens is these clips right here, they break off, so it won't even sit in there anyway. So since I'm gonna replace it, I might as well replace it with the LED, which is a brighter light. So the first thing I'm gonna do is, you see these come, they already ready to go. Plug and play is what they call them. I took them out the box, but got them off eBay. And basically what you do with this, you just plug it into the light. So I'm gonna plug it in. I'm gonna plug it in, and then I'm gonna go turn on the key and see if it works. All right, so what you gotta do with this, to take this housing off, you gotta twist it, and it twists, and it comes straight out. So you gotta line those up, and they come out. Then what you wanna do, plug this back up, push that through, and then pop this housing. Oh, the back end first, and the front pops in. Pops right in. Then we're gonna go to the other side. And you see the only tools I needed for this was a flathead screwdriver. Pop that one off. Pour that out. See, it's still above it now. Then we're gonna take this one out. Plug it up. And before I stick it in, I'm gonna cut on the light again and make sure that one's working. So watch that. It's a go. It's a go. So something right here. Just gonna take this one, put the back in. Pop. And there we have it. So now I have back lights. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna wait till it get dark, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the video of how it looks now with when it's dark. All right. So it's night out here, and now we're finna see what these lights do.